Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at the game changer, Palantir. Guys, we do have a news on this, and also price action has been running really good and bullish for us, but are we setting up for the next big massive move on Palantir? We'll take a look at all of that in this video. Now, as you noticed, or you may have noticed, I said that the next big move, because one of the moves, and we did make 42% profits, almost 43% I should say technically, with the members. All those details, if you're interested, check out the details in the description of this video. I cover Palantir on my Patreon, and the last trade that I gave to the members was down right from here all the way. Technically this was our target around 38 area, so we technically hit right 40% to 43% area zone. That was the recent massive move that we made the play on. Huge gains. I showed you a video yesterday on ELF. We made 90% plus gains, and there are many other stocks where we have been making massive gains. All those details, if you are interested, check out the memberships on my Patreon. I spend a lot of time over there with the members in my videos. All right. Now, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. As for moving forward, now there are a couple of drawings that you're already seeing on my chart, and there's a reason for that, because this is where, how we prepare in my, membership sections. And technically structure has been just fine on Palantir even until this area where I have a blue box that is $120. Now definitely I can't go in all the details on all other stocks, because for that you have to be a member, right? And but very high level Palantir, we'll take a look at the technicals as well in just a second, but let's first get to the news. Okay, so what's going on? Palantir, here we go. Okay, well, let me find a better article here. All right. Palantir selected by Trump to compile data on Americans. Now, definitely headline sounds a little bit too invasive in the, like, you may question, hey, that's invasion of our privacy. But hey, when we go through the details down there, it is a little bit more acceptable. So let's talk about that. The Trump administration has turned to Palantir Technologies to put the technological building blocks in place for his executive order calling for the federal government to share data across agencies. So it's all about sharing data across agencies to bring that cohesiveness and not random stuff happening in random places. And there's a lot of fraudulent activities that government has found out. But anyways, Palantir business is coming to Palantir. The company has received over $113 million in federal spending since Trump took office, including extra funds from existing contracts as well as new contracts with the Pentagon and the Department of Homeland Security. Palantir officials are also speaking with the Social Security Administration and the Internal Revenue Service about buying its technology, the government officials and company employees reportedly said. So, Palantir, we do have a little bit of that catalyst already put together, that with the bullish structure that Palantir has been in. Now, today's candle, I'll take you to the lower time frames, you will see the strong volume and everything. But hey, overall we were fine even until 120. All right, and as if you remember, you know all this stuff. You even took that 43% profits that we just made on Palantir. Right now, from here, yeah, we are just fine. We are just technically still in an upward direction on Palantir. Above 120, we were already just fine. Now, the thing is that though, let's get to the hourly interval, and you can see the volume down there, such a strong volume that we have on Palantir show up. Now, the thing is that what usually happens when we have this consolidation ongoing for quite some time at the new all-time highs, this is a new all-time high on Palantir, but a consolidation ongoing, people or traders who are trying to short have their stop losses sitting right above that area, and so is the stop losses for the long players. Now in this case, we are already squeezing out the short players, okay, and add that together with the momentum of the technical breakout with the bullish structure already there, and then we have Trump, this whole thing happening with Palantir. That is just a bullish sentiment on Palantir. Now, definitely, we are just fine. We are just bullish. We are already in the technical breakout. And yes, this last 2 hours and ongoing red candles, these are fine. This is just right now a pullback, but we need to continue to hold above this significant level. Again, my tools helps you in all of this as well. You can check out those details for my tools as well in the description of this video if you're interested in that membership as well. Anyhow, 125 area and above will just remain bullish, and we will stay bullish even if pullback happens until there. This is right now just a pullback, but we have done already a breakout, and overall moving forward structure on Palantir will remain bullish for us. 125 area, that is precisely where the significant level is. On my tools, we will be just fine on Palantir moving forward. And yeah, we have a clear sky up above the 133 and 50 cents area. And how high can we go? Well, guys, as long as price action support, as long as trend supports, that's why it's important to understand the price action. But hey, we are still bullish, we are still fine, and as we break out above that area as well, 133 and 50 cents, new highs are definitely coming in. But the important thing is that moving forward, we need to stay above 125 and 50 cents area. And though we have already been fine, but we are already in the technical breakout. Anyways, I just wanted to talk about Palantir. Really good stuff building up on this thing. And anyways, if you want to capture a lot more other stocks with a lot more moves that we do on the Patreon, you can check out the details in the description of this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.